Warren Buffett says, "Getting rich is easy if you do this." Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies. We're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're unveiling the golden nugget of advice from the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, that could be your key to unlocking financial prosperity. Ever been curious about the secret sauce behind Warren Buffett's immense success? Well, today's your lucky day. We're about to dive into the mindset and strategy that Buffett swears by. And guess what? It's simpler than you might think. Plus, stay tuned to discover why Buffett believes that getting rich is easy when you follow a particular principle. Warren Buffett's success isn't just a product of his investment strategies. It's a culmination of his life's principles. One of his most famous quotes is, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." This emphasizes the importance of knowledge and education in the investment world. Buffett himself is an avid reader, often consuming several hours of reading daily to stay informed. Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with success in the investment world, has always had a unique approach to wealth creation. While many are lost in the complexities of the stock market, Buffett's philosophy is rooted in simplicity and clarity. And today, we're about to uncover that very philosophy that has made him one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. Buffett's mantra has always been about value investing, but it's not just about finding undervalued stocks. It's about understanding the true essence of a business, its potential for growth, and its resilience against market fluctuations. He often emphasizes the importance of investing in businesses that you understand and believe in rather than chasing market trends. Another cornerstone of Buffett's philosophy is his focus on the long term. He's known to say, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This highlights his belief in holding on to good investments and not being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. It's about having conviction in your choices and not being influenced by the noise of the market. Hey there! Taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. Buffett's investment decisions are often backed by thorough research and a deep understanding of the company's fundamentals. He's not one to jump on the latest trend or get swayed by market hype. Instead, he looks for companies with a competitive advantage, or what he calls a moat. This moat can be anything from a strong brand name, patent, or a unique business model that gives the company an edge over its competitors. One of the most enlightening pieces of advice from Buffett is his belief in the power of compound interest. He often says, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." By prioritizing savings and investments and letting the magic of compound interest work its charm, one can witness their wealth grow exponentially over time. But it's not just about the numbers. Buffett's success is also attributed to his impeccable character and unwavering principles. He believes in the power of integrity, honesty, and patience. As he often states, "It's pretty easy to get well-to-do slowly, but it's not easy to get rich quick." Buffett also emphasizes the importance of having the right temperament for investing. He believes that being able to control your emotions and not being swayed by fear or greed is crucial. As he puts it, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Quick break. If you're enjoying this and want more tips, here's a small ask. Click subscribe, give us a like, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Ready for more? Let's go. Another gem from Buffett's treasure trove of wisdom is his belief in the circle of competence. He advises investors to stick to what they know and understand. Diving into unknown territories without adequate knowledge can be a recipe for disaster. It's better to be a master of one trade than a jack of all. Buffett's journey is a testament to the fact that wealth creation is not about making quick bucks. It's about having a vision, sticking to your principles, and being patient. It's about understanding the difference between short-term gains and long-term value. In addition to his investment strategies, Buffett's lifestyle choices also offer valuable lessons. Despite his immense wealth, he leads a relatively simple life. Residing in the same house he bought in the 1950s and driving a modest car, this reflects his belief in living below one's means and saving and investing the surplus. As we wrap up our deep dive into Buffett's world, it's essential to remember that while his advice is invaluable, the onus is on us to implement it. It's about taking action, being consistent, and having faith in the process. Buffett's philanthropic endeavors also deserve a mention. He has pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to charitable causes, emphasizing the importance of giving back to society. This shows that true wealth isn't just about accumulating money, but also about making a positive impact in the world. In today's episode, we delved deep into the principles and philosophies of Warren Buffett, the investment maestro. From value investing and understanding businesses to the significance of patience, integrity, and giving back. Buffett's teachings offer a holistic approach to wealth creation and life. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.